red velvet brownies. Hi, Rachel.
I'm Maya.
And I'm Maci, and we're baking with M&M's. We started baking when we were 4. From our decorating techniques, piping techniques, we get it all from our dad. We started baking together during the pandemic. The boxes came prepared with all of your cake ingredients that you would need. And what we would do is we would host Zoom calls and we would bake it with you. Me and Maci also have our own line, Caking with M&M, where we also prepare our own cake mixes. Today we are making red velvet brownies with a cream cheese drizzle. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 325. You're going to line your 8 pan with greased parchment paper. You're going to cream together your butter, your white sugar, and your brown sugar in your mixing bowl. Now we're going to mix that together until it's all nice and combined. We're going to take our 2 eggs and we're going to beat them slightly. Mix in our egg with our sugar mixture. Now we're gonna add in our buttermilk, vinegar, and vanilla. Now our flour and our salt. Add in our cocoa powder and our red food coloring. Now let's mix. So now I'm just gonna take my spoon, making sure it's even. Put this in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Here's what our red velvet brownies look like. Now it's time to add our cream cheese drizzle. Go ahead, try it. It's just melts in your mouth. It's amazing. Bye, Rachel.